Hey guys, today I'm at Toronto Botanical Garden and you can call it Edward's Garden. So as you can see, it's very nice and you can see all the flowers and there's a little pond. It's so beautiful today. So guys, you can see you can park here, over here. So we came here to see all these wonderful flowers. Isn't it lovely? You can see there's lots of parkings here, and I came with my dad's friends and my friends. My baby is standing. So now we're gonna go to the park, and it has lovely flowers, super nice flowers. So we can see, and I'll show you guys everything. Let's go. As you can see, this is the map to the garden, and if you get lost, you can see it. And so guys, this is the greenhouse. It's very huge. So guys, why we have a greenhouse is because it gets cold in Canada. So the greenhouse is how we save the plant. So we put the plant inside the greenhouse, and the staff saves the plant and they water them every single time. So guys, you can see there's lots of different plants in the greenhouse. Look, I don't know what part. So guys, do you see this pink flower? It's so nice. And this is a red one. They're so beautiful together. Here's some white flowers. There's so many beautiful flowers here. There's dandelions and daisies and sunflowers. Wow, those are beautiful roses. There's so many. And this is me playing with my friends. We're playing rock, paper, scissors in the grass. And if you didn't know, grass is very good for your health. So guys, you can see there's a long tree and there's a lake here and a walk trail that leads you to somewhere. And me and my dad, my mom, we always explore this place. We have a picnic here, and my dad and my mom and their friends are talking while me and my friends are talking. And these are my friends. I just noticed that my friends and I are wearing same matching colors. Like we're all wearing pink. It's crazy. So I just suggest you flower lovers to go to this place because it has so many flowers, red, every kind of flowers like pink, roses, sunflowers. So I suggest you to go here. This is a very nice park. You should go. I suggest you. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you subscribe to my channel, put on the notifications and like this video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.